Hello, friends! Welcome back to your favorite channel, NB English Learning.
Yes, and welcome to our spoken English course, Class 8. Today's class is going to be very special.
Friends, today we will learn something very important. If you want to speak good English, you must work on 4 things.
Do you know what those 4 things are? Let's tell them.
Number 1, speaking practice. You must speak English again and again. Practice words and sentences until they come naturally to your tongue.
Number 2, reading. Read English every day. It can be an article, a page of a book, or even a short paragraph. Reading helps you learn new words and phrases.
Number 3, writing. Write something in English daily. You can write in a notebook, type on your phone, or chat with friends in English.
And the most ignored but very important skill is...
Number 4, listening. Yes, friends, many people forget to practice listening.
But when someone speaks English in front of us, we become blank.
Why? Because we never practiced listening.
So today we will do an amazing listening practice activity.
Listen carefully and answer in English.
Ready? Let's start.
How have you been?
How are you doing?
What are you up to?
How are you today?
Possible answers could be,
I'm doing fine, thank you.
not much, just relaxing.
I'm great, thanks for asking.
Now imagine you are in a restaurant.
Listen to these sentences.
Can I have some coffee?
What's today's special?
Is this dish spicy?
Can I have the bill, please?
Now let's go shopping.
How much is this? What is the price? How much does this cost?
Possible responses.
Would you like to try this?
Can I offer you something?
Yes, I'd love to have some biscuits.
Let's see a short conversation.
Hello, I want to buy shoes. Size 8, please.
Here you go. Do you like them?
How much are they?
They are 1,500 rupees. Today, we have a 10% discount. If you understand sentences like these, you are on the right path.
Your ears are getting used to English.
Now we will learn something interesting. Adjectives.
Adjectives describe someone or something. Examples: tall, big, wise, simple.
Example sentence. He is a student.
But we can make it better. He is an intelligent student.
Or, he is a wise student.
Adjectives also have degrees. Example: tall, taller, tallest.
Example sentence. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world.
Another example: strong, stronger, strongest.
My father is the strongest person I know.
Some adjectives change differently. Good, better, best.
Example. He is the best teacher.
Now let's make your English more advanced. Add ly to adjectives to describe how an action happens.
Slow, slowly. Quick, quickly. Examples. He runs slowly. She understands quickly.
These are called adverbs.
Now make sentences using these words. Strongest, tallest, smallest, finest, loveliest.
Write your sentences in the comments section.
Friends, promise us one thing.
Listen to English for at least 2 minutes every day.
It can be a short video or a conversation.
Write in the comments, I promise.
See you in the next class.
Keep practicing and keep learning with NB English Learning.
Thank you.